Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, cadets and cadets. And shout out pala sa BS Cream 1J, BS Cream 1K, and BS MT1A. I am Master Sergeant Elizalde Colantro, Philippine Army Reserve. I am a graduate of Advanced ROTC course at St. Anthony's College. I am also an Operation NCO of 602 Ready Reserve Infantry Battalion. At the same time, I am Operation and Training NCO of the University of Antique ROTC unit. Okay. Today, we are discussing on US rifle caliber 5.56 M16A1. This subject actually is very short, but this is also very important nowadays that we are under threat by China. Kailangan lahat ng mga ROTC cadets marunong pumutok. No? Dahil pag may emergency, tayo ang tawagin para to support the organic personnel of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Okay? Proceed. Shown is the objective. The student will be able to identify, discuss the characteristics, parts of rifle, general data, its cycles of operation, the disassembly and assembly of rifle caliber 5.56 mm M16A1. This rifle also known as Armalite. Scope of the lesson, so description, characteristic, part of the rifle, general data, its cycle, and soon we will show you how to disassemble and assemble the rifle. Next, the description. The description and characteristic. M16A1 is air-cooled rifle, magazine feed. If you can see, meron siyang magazine. No? Shoulder weapon. Pwede siyang shoulder weapon. When you fire, supported by your shoulder. Or pwede siyang hip weapon. Semi and full automatic. If you can see, there is a selector lever here. Safety, semi, and full automatic. It is also a gas-operated rifle. The part of the rifle here is has two main groups, but actually it has three main groups: the upper receiver group, the lower receiver group, and the bolt carrier assembly. Okay. Shown is the parts of the rifle caliber 5.56. That is the left side view. So next slide is the right side view of the rifle. Later we will discuss, or we will identify the parts of the rifle. General data, okay? Yun lang to dahil simple lang naman to. Next, length of the rifle. Pag ang rifle, actually the overall length of the rifle is only 39 inches. Pero pag nilagyan natin ng bayonet knife, aabot siya ng 44.25 inches. Meron siyang plus suppressor. Ang plus suppressor ay 1 inch. The barrel is 21. So without barrel, the barrel is only 20. Pag may plus suppressor, abot siya ng 21. Letter C is the sight. If you can see, we have the front sight here and the rear sight. So pag nagbaril tayo, kung makita natin, ang front sight meron siyang isa. Ang rear sight naman, letter B. So pag nagbaril tayo, dapat patong natin yung object, yung target natin doon sa front sight. Pasok natin sa V, which is the rear sight. Okay? So pag nagbaril tayo, meron tayong hold and squeeze. So hold, deep breath, then hold, aim target, then fire. Para tamaan natin yung target. Ang purpose niyan is to avoid the wobble. The wobble of the rifle. Kasi pag humihinga tayo, magkakaroon ng wobble of the rifle. Okay? So that is the rear and the front sight. Ito na ngayon yung sinasabi kong pangatlong main groups of the rifle, the bolt carrier assembly, which is not mentioned to the show, no, to the slideshow, to the earlier slideshow. Okay. Okay. Next is the operational. The muzzle velocity is 3,250 per seconds. Feet per second. FPS. 3,250 feet per second. So, yun kabilis ang muzzle velocity. Cyclic rate of fire is 700 to 800 round per meter. Okay. Siyon lang natin to kasi mamaya magkakaroon pa tayo ng practical. Sa maximum rate of fire, siyempre binasa pa rin, ano? Sa semi-automatic, 45 to 65 round per meter. Pagka automatic, 150 to 200 RPM. Okay? Yes, sir. Sa ammunition natin, ang caliber number 1 is 5.556 mm. So, parang kasing laki lang siya ng .22 na bala. So, yun lang yan dahil limited yung oras natin. Next is the 8th cycle of operation. Okay. Number 1 dito is firing, pero pwede rin natin ilagay number 1 yung extracting. Okay. Number 1, firing. It occurs when the firing pin strike the primer of the cartridge. So, after the firing, the next cycle is unlocking. I-unlock niya yung cartridge doon sa chamber to prepare na i-extract niya. So, after na i-unlock niya, i-extract niya. Meaning, removing the empty cartridge from the receiver. Then after i-extract niya, i-prepare naman niya ngayon para i-throw yung empty cartridge from the chamber. Okay? Are you following? Okay. Number 5 is feeding. So, ang feed, papasok ngayon yung bala doon sa chamber. Ibig sabihin, placing the cartridge into the receiver approximately at the back of the barrel, ready to chambering. So, feeding, the next cycle, of course, is chambering. Meaning, moving the cartridge from the magazine to the chamber. Pagkatapos i-chamber niya, i-lock niya ngayon. I-lock niya para So, next cycle is locking. Ang locking, i-sealed niya yung cartridge from the magazine to the chamber. So, number 8 cycle is the positioning of the firing mechanism into cock position so that it is ready to fire another round. Medyo komplikado, no? Pero ganyan talaga ang cycle ng M16A1 natin. So, pwede nating umpisan sa feeding. Actually, sa feeding talaga ito eh. So, i-feed natin by Cocking. Pag-cock natin, nakapid na yung bala doon sa chamber. Pag nakalagay na doon, ilalak niya automatically yan. No? Pag-lock ng pan, sorry. So pag-lock, ngayon, pag-lock, i-fire niya. Dapat nakalock yung bala doon sa rifle para hindi masira yung rifle natin pag pumutok yung bala. So firing. After firing, i-unlock niya yung bala, yung cartridge, I mean, to prepare to extract. After extract niya, i-eject. Tatapon na niya yung ating empty cartridge. Okay? Okay. Ito na yung practical ngayon na gagawin natin mamaya. Pero, para detalyado, babasahin natin. First tip of dismantling the rifle is to clear the rifle. Okay? How to clear the rifle. Okay, first tip for disassemble is to clear the rifle. Yung una-una, remove the magazine. Then, clear the rifle by cocking twice. Pag-cock nyo, pwede nyong silipin sa loob kung merong bala sa chamber. Ha? Pag walang tumilapon, meaning wala. Pero, i-cock nyo pa rin at silipin kung meron. Dahil ang rifle natin ay mayroong malfunctioning. Minsan. Okay? So, wala. Pag wala, lagay natin yung safety lever to the safety mode. Okay, ganyan. Safety na. So, point the selector lever to the safety position. Okay? Okay. Dismantling na ito eh. So, proceed na lang tayo sa practical. Okay?
So, anong stop recording siya?
Yes, ma'am. Practical na lang. Ang nakalagay dyan, kuwan ma'am eh.
Stop recording.
Ang procedure on how to dismantle the rifle.
Sige. Stop recording.